You can review and annotate video assets in Media Management using built-in review tools. Here's how. We've been assigned a task to review a video for an asset review job, one of the workflows available out of the box in Media Management. In the task, select Comment on the video to open the review interface. Use the media controls to play the video. Select the comment box to leave a comment. By default, the comment has a timestamp. Select the icon to remove it. To select a time range for the comment, enable the timestamp and then select the endpoint on the timeline. You can also add visual annotations to your comment. Use the eraser to fix mistakes. When you're done, select Approve or Reject. If you're reviewing a revised version of the asset, you can use the toggle to compare versions. And that's how you review video assets in Media Management. For more Media Management tips, check out the other videos in this series.